Hello everyone, my name is Kaijar. As you can see, I have come to this place. This is the place of tea garden area, and uh, in this factory surroundings, everywhere is tea plant, and I can say outside area it's full of tea garden, and that's why here it's opening. Here is work going on. This factory this factory full of tea factory. Here everything happen, and here, as you can see, this factory's work is going on. I can show you every parts of this place, and I can show you some of these buildings. Work is going on, and after 1 or 2 months it's going to open. And I'm just coming to inside area of this factory, and as you can see, and now I am showing you all the work is going on. I can show every parts of this place. This is the place. Here, as you can see, the machine also, I can show you all the work is going on. And here you can see all the work is also going on, and I can show you the tea making machine now established, and the work is not happening. And as you can see, I have come to show you. I am really feel proud that I have chance to record this video to this place. And this is really beautiful, unique and amazing, because you never have chance to come after completing this work. As you can see, every parts of this place. Here you can see the bulldozer also coming. All the work is going on. All the laborer, all the mechanic, all of this are working on this place. And if I show you this bulldozer machine coming inside, this Kaijar is putting every machine on this place, because this is the place of factory. This is full of tea factory. Here after 2 or 3 months, lots of people also working in this place. They will work over here. I am right now going to another parts of this place. All the laborers, workers are working on. As you can see, this is the huge building is still working on work. As you can see, materials also going on. Here I can show you some of the work. It's really unique. I have chance to over. I have chance to make video over this place. I really feel proud. I really feel amazing. So this is the end part of this place. As you can see, all this work is going on. I'm really feel proud. I'm really feel happy to visit this place. And this is the place of factory site. Here also going on work, and I am really feel proud to show you through my vlog channel. So I am really happy to come. I'm really feel happy to show you this beautiful tea factory place. So as you can see, so all this work is going on every parts of this place. So today is also too much hot weather, and all the laborers, all the people are working on their work. So whole area full of work going on. Over now. Okay for me. I'm going. So it is really fantastic moment for me that I cover every parts of this place, and it's really interesting. It's really pleasant moment for me that today I have chance to come and chance to shoot here. So now I am going to outside, so it is not properly happen. So after 2 or 3 months it will full of work will happen. So all the worker, all the laborer are working here. So as I told you in beginning time, so in this factory outside, as you can see, full of tea garden everywhere. So that is the reason here people are established this plant, this factory, because here they have chance to collect materials like tea plant, tea leaves. It's almost cost low, because here the people are doing every job, because they are living their life through this plant way, because they cultivate this plant, and that's why this happened, that factory also continue working their work. So this is all about this video. So this Hydra pulling something to in outside, so because that is their work. So full of tea garden in the middle section. This factory is work going on. So this is the main gate of factory, as you can see, and I have chance to show you full of area, and as you can see everywhere is tea plant. So this is really unique place to establish any factory, because if anyone interested to do these types of factory purpose, so there is really need to some place such like this. So it's all about this vlog. So today is okay for me, so I hope you feel happy to see this place, and this place is really amazing. I hope to see you in the last portion. This is the place, as you can see. Bye bye, see you in upcoming day. Thank you, bye bye.